Hi guys, Steve Composer here at the Adventuring Camping School in Northeast Thailand. Just come inside in the air-conditioned comfort to make this quick video. It's really apocalyptic conditions outside, so hot, dry, a gale force wind, smoke. You can't see more than a few miles. It's incredible here in the hot, dry season in Thailand, so just come inside here. And excuse me if I just glance down to a few notes every now and then. I've got a cheat sheet with a few notes here. What I'm going to do is talk about water here. Few important points about water that I don't hear many other people talking about. And I just want to recap what I've done in this playlist. I've done a whole series of videos on the collection and treatment of water, especially collecting standing water in ponds and so forth. The same would apply to flowing water in streams. You just want to collect the clearest water you can in containers from the surface, or find a nice calm area where sedimentation is occurring. There's no big scientific leap from collecting water from a pond or standing water to a river or stream. I just thought standing water was important. And I've shown you the guidelines and the tricks to collect the cleanest possible standing water. You then want to strain the water through a cloth material. I've got my tea towel, for example. Don't just rely on the cotton bandanas some people talk about. Nice thick tea towel which you can double over again. And you've got 4 thick layers of cotton to strain water through. Not filter, but strain water through. If the water's not too bad, not too murky, you can then go straight to the boil. If the water's overly dirty, overly murky, very turbid and so forth, turbidity is the scientific term for particulates in water, you can then build an improvised water filter. And there are 2 types, a container filter. If you don't have a backup container or a secondary container, plastic bottle or something, you can then build an elevated cloth filter, and all those videos are online. I use a bamboo container for my container filter just to stick to a primitive theme. Plastic bottles are okay, and of course if you don't have that backup secondary container, the cloth material tied up onto a quad pod, 4 stakes, not a tripod but a quad pod, and put your filter mediums in that cloth material. Just like I've got those videos, I filter very black, thick, murky water, which I haven't seen on the internet. I don't watch many YouTube videos, but a few things I have seen on the internet, people are putting through clean water and saying, oh, there's my filter and the clean water's coming out. I'm not sure how that works, but I put through the thickest, blackest water you'll ever see, and I think I get pretty good results from that water you can boil and consume. My next series of videos will be concerning the collection of water when there's no water around. So if there's no visible water, how do you find water? That's going to be my next series of videos, which is good in the hot, dry season in Thailand. There is less water and so forth. But let's take a half-time break first. I want to make a few important points about water. And as far as boiling is concerned, yes, 1 minute of a boil is the consensus to boil water. 1 full minute. That's the consensus from official government health department websites, the EPA, the CDC, Centers for Disease Control and so forth. You do read things about 10 minutes of boiling to kill something like Giardia. Giardia can take up to 10 minutes of boiling to fully deactivate, but the question mark is, what are the chances of coming across Giardia somewhere? And 10 minutes of boiling is a lot of fire, a lot of fuel, and a lot of wastage in water through steam and so forth. So the consensus is 1 minute.